As digital asset markets increase in both number and impact to financial systems, a principled approach is necessary to ensure this trend continues equitably, safely, and benefits all Americans. The FTX US digital asset platform's guiding principles are designed to enable these benefits and safeguards in digital asset markets throughout the country. Those markets include people from all walks of life, including differing occupations, backgrounds, and needs, like me, Raquel, a 27-year-old woman in the public sector in Delaware.
Or me, Albert, a 35-year-old man running a dairy farm in Wisconsin.
Me, Cassandra, a 55-year-old entrepreneur from the Pacific Coast hoping to retire soon.
And me, Pat, a 21-year-old news intern in South Carolina.
U.S. economic interests and global financial leadership depend on the promotion of the healthy development of U.S. digital asset markets. Currently, over 90% of trading volumes for digital assets takes place outside the U.S., to the detriment of U.S. investors, economy, and job market. As the country that leads in development of digital asset trading will wield outsized influence on future standards for such trades, U.S. financial leadership must empower U.S. digital asset markets and set these standards. Federal regulation must enable competitive markets driven by innovation, technology, and opportunity for American investors. The public is best served with lower barriers to entry, which includes the choice to access markets online rather than other costlier methods.
Equity and access within the financial system through supportive technologies available to underserved communities must be promoted. With over a third of Americans unbanked or underbanked, digital asset companies are positioned to onboard and uplift these citizens, simplifying paycheck deposit and payment transfer, including to loved ones in other countries. We must promote new technologies and models that limit systemic risk in futures markets to ensure resilience for those who rely on these exchanges. A risk and margin model must be designed to prevent the unnecessary accumulation of risk as world events and round-the-clock news influence markets. While traditional platforms base margin extension or credit decisions on off-platform assets, digital asset exchanges manage risk solely based on collateral actually posted to the platform, limiting the risk posed to other investors on the platform.
Investor choice must be supported and expanded to promote the vibrancy of American markets. Enabling investors to access markets directly will further empower end investors, who will still have the choice to use intermediaries if they wish. The growth of the business models and market structure for digital assets trading is tied directly to this access and to the enjoyment of the digital asset trading experience in comparison to traditional platforms. These guiding principles of the FTX US digital asset platform promote a strong standing in the world's digital asset markets, securing the strength and influence of American markets, both today and into the future.
To learn more, visit ftxpolicy.com/get-the-facts.